Hello beauties, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make this powerful hair growth serum using only 4 ingredients. So if you're interested in making this powerful hair growth serum to strengthen your hair, clear dry scalp, hydrate your scalp, hydrate and keep your hair moisturized, then relax and watch this video till the end as I share with you how to make this powerful hair growth serum right away. So the first ingredient we're going to be using is black seed. Black seed is a powerful herb. This herb right here is so powerful for our hair. It has antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties to help get rid of some scalp concern. It will help to nourish our scalp, get rid of dry, itchy scalp and keep your scalp hydrated. It will also hydrate your hair, keep it moisturized and promote hair growth. Next ingredient we're going to be using is cloves. Cloves is another powerful herb that can help to strengthen our hair. It has vitamins and nutrients that can promote fast hair growth. It has eugenol and vitamin K to help promote blood circulations around the scalp, thereby promoting healthy hair growth. This powerful herb also helps to reduce hair breakage, reduce dandruff, itchy scalp, reduce split ends and dry hair. Cloves is so powerful that if you use it, you're definitely going to see a huge improvement within a short time. Next ingredient we're going to be using is Fenric Seeds. Fenric is another powerful seed that has been used way back to nourish the scalp and nourish our hair. This particular spice is very good not just for our consumption but also for our hair, and it is also used to thicken hair, reduce hair shedding. It is also used in getting rid of some scalp concerns such as dandruff and scalp irritation. When you use fenugreek seed on your hair for a period of time, it is going to increase the density of your hair. Like your hair is going to add volume and your hair is going to definitely grow. So fenugreek seed in this hair serum is going to make this hair serum very powerful. So the next and the last ingredient in this hair serum is rosemary herb. Now here I'm using dry rosemary herb, but you can also use fresh rosemary herb. Rosemary herb is another powerful herb that can help to improve our hair growth. This will help to reduce hair loss. Like if you're having issues with any form of alopecia, this is the herb you need to add to your serum. And this particular herb has been referred to as natural minoxidil, which is a topical treatment for hair loss. So now that I have all of these ingredients or herbs, it is time for us to make our hair serum. So to begin, you want to use a clean pot and then add in all your herbs. I'm going to start with rosemary and I'm adding a tablespoon of my rosemary herb, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, a tablespoon of cloves and a tablespoon of black seed. Now while we're still watching, I want to take a moment to welcome you to this channel. If this is your very first time being here, you are most welcomed, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. Now on this channel I like to talk about natural hair, natural beauty remedies and wellness tips. So I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your loved ones, and drop your question, concern, or if you have anything to say in the comment section. Alright, so here I have my herbs well measured in the pot, and I added about 500 ml of water, and here it is boiling. Now you don't want your herbs to boil for a very long time so you don't lose all the nutrients. I'm going to boil it for just 5 minutes, and then I'm going to let it cool completely. I actually left mine to cool for more than 3 hours, or about 3 hours. And I noticed that the longer you keep this, the darker the water becomes. If you leave it overnight, it is also going to get darker. Now here we have it. Our DIY powerful hair growth serum is ready. This hair serum is so powerful, and when you use it consistently for a month, your hair is definitely going to improve. So give this hair serum a try if you're having hair loss, hair breakage, hair split ends, or any form of alopecia. Just give this hair growth serum a try and you will definitely have an amazing result. So now here we have the herbs after filtering the water. I'm not going to be throwing these herbs away. I'm going to store it in my freezer, and whenever I need a hair treatment, I will blend it and use it as a hair treatment. You can turn it to a paste and use it as a hair treatment. So here we have a hair serum. You can use it as a hair spray. You can spray it on your hair to reduce dehydration or dry hair and dry scalp. You can also use it as a final hair rinse after shampooing or washing your hair. Just pour it all over your hair as a final hair rinse, and you can use it whenever you want to use water. Instead of using regular water, go ahead and use this to hydrate your hair. Keep your hair well hydrated, well moisturized, and follow up with your healthy hair care routine, and your hair will definitely amaze you. Now this hair serum, you definitely want to store it in the refrigerator to last longer. When you keep it outside, it is likely to grow mold. So I usually store mine in my refrigerator and then bring out a little portion that can last a day or two. After exhausting that one, I bring out the one in the freezer. I bring it out from the freezer and use it. So you want to use it little by little and store the remaining one in the refrigerator to last longer and remain fresh. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I do hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and like this video to encourage this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful.